Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Tin Games Up and Down stamp set. This stamp set is absolutely adorable. It's a 4x6 stamp set and it comes with 6 stamps. It has 5 images and 1 sentiment. I'm going to stamp this set out for you so you can see how this looks stamped out. And as you can see, it looks really great. These little elephants are just so cute. One measures 1.5 inches wide by 2 inches tall, and the other one is 2.5 wide by 2 inches tall. I did make a card for you using the Whimsy Stamps Tin Games Up and Down stamp set, and I paired it with the Magical Birthday Wishes stamp for the sentiment. Then I used the Slimline cloud die for the frame around the card. I used the balloons from the Gnome's Party Rose stamp set. And then finally I used the grass and cloud edger die to make the cloud background. And I just colored in the elephant and balloons with Copic markers. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release and head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.